little math wizards. Are you ready for a fun and exciting math challenge? I can hear you saying, yes! In this game, we have 3 types of questions. You will answer a math problem. You will choose the correct answer from multiple choices. You will decide if a statement is true or false. Are you ready? Let's start the game. Here comes the first question. What is 2 plus 3? Think carefully. Think. Yes. The answer is 5. If you have 2 apples and get 3 more, you have 5 apples. You're doing great! Next question. This one has multiple choices. What is 3 plus 5? A. 9. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Choose your answer. Yes, the correct answer is D, which is 8. You're amazing. Now let's see if you can spot the trick. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Is this true or false? Great! That's true. You are a math genius. Here comes another tricky one. 7 minus 4 equals 2. Is this true or false? Oops! That's false! The correct answer is 3, but you're doing great! Now, it's time for the last question. 14 minus 5 equals 8. Is this true or false? Oh no, that's false! The correct answer is 9, but you did an amazing job! Now, it's time for the last multiple choice question. What is 6 plus 7? A. 12. B. 13C. 14D. 15. Think carefully and choose your answer. Yes! The correct answer is B, which is 13. Fantastic job, math champion. Now, let's check your final score. If you got 6 out of 6, you are a math wizard. If you got 5 out of 6, you are a super mathematician. If you got 4 out of 6, you are a math star. Keep it up. If you got 3 out of 6, great job. Keep practicing, and you'll be a math master soon. You all did an amazing job today. Math is everywhere, and learning is so much fun.